Grateful to you that you have been standing for many hours outside this gate. Thank God this gate is open. We tried for so many months to see this gate open. Today I don't have words to feel the way I feel today. I'm free. I'm free. I hope my people will. I hope let us pray to God that we will see true freedom for which we have been trying for a long time. God bless you all and God bless the state of us.
Sir, you didn't say anything that being an acting MP, you got a PSA. You didn't say anything about that. What's your reaction about that?
Parliamentary members who spoke for our freedom. I said to everyone, they spoke for my freedom. They fought for my freedom in the parliament. And today they have achieved that result.
What are the plans now? What are the
One of
plans?
these days I'll be able to, when my
Rasta, what do you intend to do now?
I'll be able to go to Delhi and attend parliament and speak for you, the people of this state.
What will your next step? What will your next step?
हटाया गया है बल्कि जैसे
I
आप
will not say anything till the others are released.
थैंक यू सर
God bless you.
God bless you.
नाज़रीन, ये थे फारूक अब्दुल्ला जो 7.5 महीनों से कैद में थे। गिरफ्तारी इनको कर लिया गया था। उसके बाद ये पहली बार जो है 7.5 महीने के बाद प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस कर रहे थे।